looking down upon this land. I love the rugged terrain, all of the colors, the grit and dirt. The heat on my skin makes me feel free. The smell of the desert in the air, my heart unravels as I seek peace. Hey, I love the scarring of the earth, I love the way the land gets burned. I never thought that I could connect with this energy, of there ever being anything but you and me. I feel a warmth that is engulfing me so fully. I'm overwhelmed by its beauty, its entirety. Yeah, yeah.
Mind games are messing me up, breaking me down. Don't wanna think about all the things we've been through together.